Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload files on monday.com. So first you're going to go to the monday.com website and log in. So once you're logged in, you're going to go to your workspace. Choose the one you want and click on it. Then next click on the item you want to upload the file in. So for example, I chose item 1. Then once you're here, you're going to click on files. Then as you can see, there's the drag and drop or add files option. You're going to click on the add file option. Then you're going to select the file you want to upload. Then once you click on it, you're going to click on open. So as you can see, your file has been uploaded. So you can download, delete, or post updates on the file. So you guys could click on updates, write something you want. Then click on update. So that file will be associated with this update. So this is one method. So next, you're going to click on add column and click on the plus button. Then click on files. Then under the files section or under the files column, you're going to click on add files. So you guys could choose from the following options. So I personally choose from computer. Then this is the same process as before. You're going to click on the file you want and click on open. Then once you do that, your file will be uploaded. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.